Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. I am Daniela K. Tigapol, taking course of Bachelor of Science in Social Works. So for today's video, we will be talking about Charles Darwin theories.
Charles Darwin is famous for his theory of evolution. He changed our concept of the world's creations and its evolution. Darwin is a genius who came from a line of intellectually gifted and wealthy family. He developed his interest in natural history during his time as a student of Shrewsbury School.
The Galapagos Islands.
Young English nationalist Charles Darwin collects the animals and plants as specimens to study. His observation in this island will be fundamental in formulating his theories, as many years later will be published in his great work on the origin of species, a revolutionary book to change the way biology was understood, giving rise to new scientific theories. In this book, Darwin laid down the scientific that each species had not always been a no way today. Rather, each one has changed and all to live in time. Three concepts important to understand Charles Darwin theories: natural selection, evolution, and the origin of species. In animals and plants, random trait mutation and modification can occur. For example, a moth that is born a different color than its parents. Imagine that this mutation or new trait improves an animal's ability to survive in its environment. Animals with this favorable trait would be better adapted to where they live and have a better chance to feed themselves and to reproduce than other animals of the same species without bad traits. The offspring of parents and favorable characteristics will only inherit those same characteristics. So generation after generation, a trait that was rare forecasts more frequently becoming the norm within the species. This process is called natural selection. With the passing of time, this favorable mutilation accumulates, then species change, constantly adapting to environment that never stop changing. Here's how the evolution of species takes place. Two groups of animals of the same species that adapt to two different environments of the time can come to constitute different species. This way, a process as simple as natural selection helps us to understand the origin of species. Charles Darwin was one of the most important men of the year, and many consider him among the most influential scientists in history. His theories and the origin of evolution of species were very new for his time and are still studied and discussed of this day.